Today I want to show you the animal, also beautiful landscape in Cambodia. Please follow us, please like and subscribe my channel for the next good video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, look, beautiful butterfly.
Uma, what are you doing? You want to catch chicken?
Yeah, beside water buffalo or the cows, most own chicken. A couple or dozen of chicken depending on the family. Yeah, but all animals are free to walk, eat everything that they can. Yeah, you could say like this lucky chicken that they can walk around out of the cage. Yeah. It looks so amazing colors, very beautiful. That's so-called kind of rooster that can fight. Yeah, you see, look very healthy one. You see the fur, see the hair is very, very smooth, very bright, black colors. Yeah, so eat everything inside, something warm. Yeah, eat everything that they can.